What is Walmart?
What is Walmart?
Do they sell like wall stuff?
I don't know.
What is Walmart? Is like they sell wall stuff?
No.
What is it?
This is my friend Savannah, you guys. She is from upstate New York, where I'm from.
Oh god.
Thanks for coming over.
Thanks for coming over. Oh, over. Seth is putting on foundation.
Dude, what are you doing for skin today?
So I already put on some foundation before you got here. So we will like do a little more since my beauty blender is still damp.
I'm using this
Oh,
little
I
sponge.
really wanted to like try one
I
of
love them so much, like it just presses
I-
into this. Not a beauty guru though, at all.
Okay, but here's the thing about that I like is that you save more product, but I like the sponge aspect because it makes it look a little more natural in a way, because you like, you know, you can take more off in certain areas, whereas like using the silicone sponge, it takes longer to get that effect.
Yeah, no, you're
But
totally
you save
right.
more product, so it's like whatever works for you. He's killing it. I'm
What's that?
It's just from like some drugstore, but I really like the
It has
glass.
SPF 20.
Exactly.
Love that. Stay safe.
And this is from Walmart, I'm pretty sure.
Let's talk about the new year. I feel like the last time I saw you was right after Christmas.
All you need to know is it's very cold here.
I came home for the polar vortex.
Yes. Oh my.
The plane like beaming down in this like lime green moment. Like,
Ah,
here
here I am.
I am. Your drugstore queen.
Honestly,
Having an amazing skin day. Wow.
I'm not, but that's why
No,
they
we
did the
like
double
are.
cover.
We look so good.
At my school. Oh my gosh, you look like a Who down in Whoville right now.
Really?
With like the lines.
Yes.
Yeah,
Growing
jealous.
up, my skin was like never like horrible, but it wasn't always like the best. And then throughout college, just like stress of like work and the real life broke my skin out.
Yeah.
But I've been using Curology, not
yeah.
sponsored.
So not
I literally
sponsored.
want them to sponsor me. Curology, please sponsor me because
You
I love your skincare. I love it so much. It literally changed my life. I was using products, but I feel like I was really uneducated about what I was using. I jumped on their website. They were just really informative about moisturizers and cleansers and toners that you should be using. Didn't really have to do a lot of research. It was all right in one place.
Yes, your skin is like amazing, so I'm glad you found something that works for you.
Yeah, I recommend it to everyone.
Everyone!
This concealer sucks.
Of course, I just went in with on this Morphe powder.
Oh my god! Morphe has so much controversy all the time.
They do. How's this eyeshadow looking?
Really pretty. What we're gonna do in 2019.
2019. One song.
Savannah has one song out called Juice Box. It's streaming on Spotify,
Everywhere.
everywhere. I'll leave all
Apple
of it
Music.
down in the description below. But she's an amazing artist. Go stream her, go check out her work. Please, she's working on music in 2019. I'm really excited to see what you come up with.
Yeah.
I
Anyway.
always do my contour way too dark. Look at that.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
We are just really chiseling them today.
Oh my gosh. Just a little more on that side. I had a question for you.
Yeah.
Some of your favorite musicians.
Right now or just all time?
Right now, like what are you listening to now?
I'm currently listening to, and I'm not even joking, the Blackout album from 2007 by Britney Spears.
Oh my
Is it
god.
2007, 2009? I don't know.
Want a piece of me?
Yes.
I'm obsessed with
Okay.
Slater, and I think I told you about her the last time I was over here.
You did. Thanks for coming over.
Thanks for
coming.
letting me come over.
Thanks for like not dying on the way here. The snow was so bad.
Because of my anxiety, yeah. Is this gonna make me glow? This is really pretty.
I'm gonna use a gold. I have the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife.
Making them eat it today. Yes. Do you like wearing makeup?
I do every once in a while.
Thank you for that highlight, babe.
Yeah, of course.
My favorite thing to do are eyebrows.
Yeah?
I love slinging a brow. I used to do my eyebrows for 4 years straight. Your makeup looks so pretty. I love that highlight on you.
You
Wow.
do? The gold. It looks nice with my skin tone, I think. Okay, so here's a big question. We're getting deep. Is it like hard for you sometimes to come home because of like, I don't know, just how tough it is to live up here sometimes?
I
One
like
question.
love my gay life in the city more than anything. I like went through it living up here, and the thing is, I don't really hold it against anyone because it's all they really know. If anything, I feel bad for people. They will never see the world that I have been able to live. It's like when I go out and people are like, oh my god, like you have pink hair. Holy shit, you're wearing like this. They just don't get it. Either they just don't
Up
get
here,
it or
they
they're,
really just
yeah.
don't.
To me, I don't care because I'm living my truth.
There you go.
I'm living exactly the way I am. And that's all you
Preach
can
it.
really do. Don't be afraid to be who you want to be. Do whatever you want to do. Because that's all you got at the end of the day. You only got yourself. And
It's so
you're the
cliche,
one that's
but
gonna
it's
make
so
you happy.
true.
It's so true. Because that's the thing is like, I still come home, like I've never like feared coming home ever. But there have been times that I'm like, holy shit. Especially now in today's age where people think they can say and do whatever the they want. And that's not okay. You know?
I mean, I think that's like, it's hard. That's all I'm gonna say.
But, I mean, other than that, I don't give a because I love my life.
Good. Never really read it. That's really cute.
Did I, like, do that with this brow?
Like, kill it? Let me see. You killed it. How's my...
It looks so good.
It looks so pretty. What?
Gee, thanks. Just buy it.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Thank you so much for having me over. I had so much fun.
Thanks for coming over. Yes.
Bye, guys. Thanks.